What's up everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make money on Fiverr. Let's see, this is the Chris B. This guy already made 50,000 bucks from this gig. He's providing service like the Facebook, Instagram ad image, Facebook Adcopy and headlines. 3 service in 1 gig. So let's see how much he already made. We can see that the basic options has the 175, standard 225 and premium 395. We can calculate from the basic option, which is the 175, and he has the 290 reviews already. Some people gave already the reviews, some people didn't. So we just calculate with the reviews. 290 reviews already made and 175. 50,000 bucks he already generated from this gig. I think that he already made the more from the 50,000 bucks. That this is the at least amount, the minimum amount. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make such a kind of money from the Fiverr, just creating these Facebook and Instagram ads and copy and headlines. I just show you everything. So go to the social media option. Here you can see that the Instagram post, and Facebook and Instagram use the same square size image. So here you can write down the headphone. Here you can see that lots of images the post already created. You can drag it here and edit this. This is very simple. You don't need any experience like the Photoshop editing. Just simple. Just click it here and edit the text. Noise cancelling, headphone. Okay, you can give the price 20 bucks only, buy now. soundshop.com. Simple. You can make the another image from here just like this. Just edit the icon and here you can see all the things. Simple. Just edit the text. Just edit the text and you can make your own copy. So that's all. I'm going to show the another things, which is that you can add elements from here, like the web icon, website icon, from these purposes. And here are lots of collections. You just browse and arrange your the image, and here you'll find the text options, drawing options, image, audio and video. If you need any image, just no problem, just click it here and write down the headphone. Here you will find all the images from here. If you like this image, don't worry, just click the image and edit the photo and remove the background. Within a second the background will be removed. So we have learned about how we can generate the Facebook and Instagram ad image from the Canva already. So now I'm going to show you how you can generate the ad copy and headlines. So first of all, we go to the ChatGPT and write down my product is. So I will get the Facebook ad copy instantly, don't worry. So this is my first one, the simple idea format: attention, interest, desire and actions. This guy just provide the service Facebook and Instagram ad image and also the copy, Facebook ad copy and headlines. So you can generate the huge multiple ad copies from using ChatGPT, and you can edit this and give it to the client. If any changes, don't worry, you just rewrite the ad copy through the ChatGPT. So third option is the make the headlines. Generate 5 Facebook ad headline. So this is the headlines. Make it short. Sound uninterrupted, noise cancelling headphones. The simple, I love this. So this is the actual way. you just browse the Canva, all the things. Here you will find the design options. Design options means all the things, all the images, ready-made image already you will find here, and then all the elements you will find here. The text option, the lots of these layers text here you will find, and then the photos, images. If you need the food image just like this, you can get all the images from this here, and also you'll find the audio options this here, and the any text you can use the ChatGPT. So this is the simple way I just show you, and you can make the such a kind of money. Just you want to you have to give the more efforts. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel. If you need the such a kind of videos, the more, you just write down in the comment section. I will give you some ideas how you can make money online, and I have learned so many things from the internet, and I also making money from the internet. I will show you the everything, every tips and tricks from my heart. Thank you so much. Till then, take care.